Hello everyone, welcome to R1 Tech. In this video, we're going to talk about Hyperloop Alpha. In 2013, Elon Musk released a white paper explaining the Hyperloop Alpha project. This Hyperloop Alpha project will be both cheap and fast, contrary to nowadays transportation, which are either slow, expensive, or both. In the paper, Musk approximates travel time between counties to be 35 minutes and the ticket cost to be around $20. And it will be eco-friendly by using solar panels for power, and it will be immune to weather, so no matter what falls from the sky, you will be able to use Hyperloop. Well, don't you just love Hyperloop? Well, it's not that easy. Unfortunately, it has been almost a decade and we still have no idea if this is gonna work. So I asked myself, what makes a train in a tube so hard to construct? And how a person that can make reusable rockets is not able to finish this project? In this video, we're going to talk about 3 ways Hyperloop Alpha is a suicide mission, and in other words, we're going to trash Hyperloop Alpha. How it works. So let's see how this Hyperloop Alpha works. There are 4 main principles. The most important one is the pod will travel in airless tubes to reduce air friction, which will dramatically increase the efficiency. But creating a perfect vacuum is impossible, so while the pod is cruising, the pod will compress the air in front of it, making a cushion of air. There is a compressor fan in front of the pod which will suck the air in front and blow it from the bottom. This will make the pod levitate from the ground and reduce friction. As there is no friction, to accelerate, Hyperloop will have to use electromagnetic motors, and these motors will also have the pod to slow down. This is basically how Hyperloop Alpha works in a nutshell. Vacuum implosion. Vacuuming the tubes make the Hyperloop much more efficient than other trains. But this brings a really fatal problem, vacuum implosion. Take a plastic bottle and suck the air inside to your lungs. This will just make the plastic bottle implode. This happens because plastic couldn't hold up with the air pressure of the atmosphere. If you had a stronger bottle, the implosion wouldn't take place. The same thing may happen in the Hyperloop tubes. Imagine being inside one of these. 1 minute you're traveling and then boom, you're just gone. To solve this problem, they will have to use stronger material for the tubes, but this will increase the cost and will be against the eco-friendly motto. No air, no life. This problem is also related to vacuum tube. The Hyperloop will bring the struggles of space travel to sea level. If there is no air inside the tube, how will passengers inside the pod breathe? If there's still some amount of air, maybe some of the air from the air cushion could be sucked inside, but I think that just will not be enough. There may be ways to fix this problem, but again, the solution should be cheap and applicable. The turn of that. One of the best things about Hyperloop Alpha is that it will be super fast with a top speed of 760 miles per hour. It's probably 1300 kilometers per hour or something like that. While there will be no problem when the pod is traveling in a straight line, turning a steep turn at that speed is worse than being in a roller coaster. In order to not have this kind of an issue, Hyperloop tubes should have extremely gentle curves. Constructing that gentle curves is not easy. There will be many obstacles like buildings, mountains, and roads. Or the other solution could be to slow down the pod. But who wants that? Conclusion. As much as I want Hyperloop Alpha to be implemented to our everyday lives, it seems like it will take more time than anticipated. Maybe by that time, other transportation vehicles could be invented and would stop working on the Hyperloop. From my point of view, and maybe because I'm an aeronautical engineering student, I think electric planes will be more feasible. Airbus and Boeing are working on 100% eco-friendly planes, but electric planes also have so much obstacles. They have to carry very heavy batteries and it makes them hard to fly. On the other hand, electric cars are becoming more popular every day. It seems like we should just wait and see what the future holds. How do you think the future of transportation industry will look like? Is it going to be like tubes we see in Futurama? Or is it going to be electric planes or electric cars or Hyperloop Alpha? Let me know in the comments. I'm very interested in your opinion. And don't forget to give a like if you like this video. And please don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.